China Unicom Limited Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to China Unicom's latest plans and offers are available in the description below. China Unicom Limited is one of China's largest telecom operators, providing a wide range of mobile broadband and internet services. With its extensive 4G and growing 5G networks, China Unicom is a strong choice for both individual users and businesses looking for reliable and affordable connectivity. Their mobile plans cater to various needs, from budget-conscious users to those who require large data allowances and international services. One of the standout features of China Unicom is its comprehensive 4G and emerging 5G coverage, especially in major cities across China. Its 5G rollout is expanding rapidly, positioning the company as a strong competitor in the fast-evolving market for high-speed mobile data. For users in urban areas, China Unicom provides seamless service with good download speeds and a reliable network. Their data plans are well suited for consumers who rely on data-heavy applications like streaming, gaming, and browsing, and they also offer cost-effective options for international roaming. Additionally, China Unicom provides flexible and competitive pricing, often making it an attractive option for both budget-conscious consumers and business clients. It has a variety of plans that suit different usage patterns, and its family and business packages provide added value with multi-line discounts and business services. However, there are some downsides to consider. While China Unicom has a robust presence in urban areas, its coverage in rural regions may not be as extensive as its competitors, particularly when it comes to 5G availability. Customer service is another area where the company has received mixed reviews. Some users report long wait times or lack of satisfactory responses. Lastly, while data speeds are generally reliable, the network can experience congestion during peak times in densely populated cities. In summary, China Unicom Limited offers strong coverage, competitive pricing, and reliable services, especially in urban areas. Its growing 5G network and flexible mobile plans make it an appealing choice for many users. However, its rural coverage and customer service could use improvement. Be sure to check the description for links to their latest deals and offers.